Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as the paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape, square and rectangle. So these are the plane surface shapes. So we are going to explain. Square. Square has four sides. One, two, three, four. The square, all sides are equal. It has four vertices. Then rectangle. Rectangle has four sides. One, two, three, four. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And also it has four vertices. And then triangle. Triangle has three sides. One, two, three. It has three vertices in the corner. This is the triangle. And then circle. Circle have no vertices. It is a closed loop. For example, it's look like a coin and carom board coin and etc. And then these are the 3D shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements, length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as a three-dimensional or 3D shape. Solid shape have faces, edges, vertices. Solid shape have three measurements, length, breadth and height. So solid shape have faces, edges and vertices. Look at the objects. These are the solid objects. So look at the objects here. In the daily life we are using matchbox, books, brick, tea bag, suitcase, almirah. So these are the all the objects are cuboid. So cuboid has 12 edges, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it has 12 edges and 8 vertices. See in the picture, there are 8 vertices and it has 6 faces. These are the faces. And 1, 2, 3. These faces only visible and remaining 3 faces are not visible when you see the diagram. So see the book. Book has 6 faces. Top face, back face, front face, bottom face. Totally 4 and 2 side face. So these are the faces of the book. So this is also one of the cuboid. And then look at these objects are cube. So all these objects are cube. A die, ice cube, sugar caps, chalk box, gift box. We are using in the daily life. Cube. This is also have 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces. And this is look at these objects. These objects are called as a cylinder. In daily life we are seeing in these objects. Cylinder. Cylinder has no vertices but they have curved edges. Two curved edges, three faces. One face is curved face and another two faces flat face and flat face. One is top and another one is bottom. Two faces are there. Totally three faces. And then look at these objects. We are very familiar to these objects: football, globe, orange, cricket ball. So these objects are called as a sphere. So sphere have only curved shape, one curved face, no vertices, no edges. And then childrens, see the objects: top, joker's cap, sharpened pencil, funnel. So these are the objects are in daily familiar life. In late, it is a cone. Cone has vertex 1, curved edge 1, and then curved face. So these are the and flat face. Totally two faces are there: curved face, flat face. So three-dimensional shape. The views are very main thing is top view, front view, side view.